Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about Muslim Scientists lecture number 2. Today we are going to talk about one of the most influential figures in the history of science, named as Ibnal Haitham. So let's start our video. Early life of Ibnal Haitham. Ibnal Haitham, also known as Al-Hazan, was born in the year 965 AD in Basra, which is in present-day Iraq. His full name was Abu Ali al-Hasan ibn al-Hasan ibn al-Haitham. He received a comprehensive education studying subjects like mathematics, philosophy, medicine, and astronomy. Contributions to science of Ibn al-Haitham. His main contribution is in the field of optics. Ibn al-Haytham's most famous work is his book of optics, Kitab al-Manazir. In this 7-volume, he explored the properties of light and vision. He correctly explained how light enters the eye and how it is processed. He also challenging the Greek notion that vision is a result of rays emitted by the eyes. He conducted experiments with lenses, mirrors, and refraction, laying the groundwork for the modern understanding of optics. He also worked in the field of mathematics. In mathematics, Ibn al-Haytham made contributions to geometry and number theory. He worked on problems related to spherical geometry and was one of the first to formulate the concepts of integral calculus. He also worked in the field of astronomy. Ibn al-Haytham made significant advancements in astronomy. He also made observations of the moon and its phases, as well as the behavior of stars and planets. He also worked in the field of engineering. He applied his knowledge to practical engineering projects. One notable example is his attempt to regulate the flow of the Nile River to prevent flooding, demonstrating his interest in solving real-world problems. He also considered the inventor of pinhole camera. So students, this is the introduction of Ibn al-Haytham. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.